Welcome back to on another video lectures of Creo. So this is the video lectures number 5. I have already created the 4 2D drawing lectures. So make sure you have first watched that video, and after that you guys needs to watch this video. Okay? So this is the lectures number 5. Let's just get started. So for making and 2D drawing, click on new, click on sketch, click on OK. I am using Creo software 8.0. Okay, so go in the center line, make x-axis and y-axis. Then we need to create this ellipse. And what is the dimension of the ellipse? 140 by 200. 140 by 200. So go on the center axis and give the make the ellipse. Dimension is 140 by 200. Okay, this ellipse is ready right now. The next is we need to create the one circle of the dia 70. On this axis, dia is 70, and it is at the 45. Smart dimension from here to here. Okay, again click here, and this is 45. For selection of the dimension, you need to press your mouse scroll button. Okay, so the height is 140, this is 200, and okay, this is ready. The next is we need to create and this rectangle of it is at the offset of 20. So go make the line here, it is at the 20 mm. Okay, the height of the line is from here to here, it is 300. Remove this, go in the dimension from here to here, it is 300. Okay, so likewise the line is ready right now. The next is we will go here 10 mm. This dimension is 10 mm. 10, then 2.88. Go here, give the dimension. This is 10 and this is 2.88. Okay, it is ready. Then again this dimension is 10 and again height is 2.8. So 10, it is up to here because it is 20. From here up to this is, they both are equal. Then again we will go here 20 mm. This dimension is 20. Okay, 20. From here up to here What is the dimension? 20. Select the line. From here up to here it is 20. Okay, it is ready. The next is from here up to here we need to create the one line. From here up to here. Okay, create one line. From here to here it is 50 plus 20 means 70. Here to here 70. The next is make line, make another line, again click it, go here, make line, make again second line, then again go here, then again go down. Make sure any constraint will not apply, because if the constraint is applied then it is useless. Okay, so again give the dimension first. This is 70, 70. The height is 10. This is 10. This is 50 and the height is 30. This is 10, so this is 20. So this is 50. Height is 20. Okay, again need to give this dimension. From here to here 30. Okay, this is 17. What is this dimension? Remove this 50. From here to here it is 50. Delete. This is 50 and this is 30. Control Z. This is 30. Okay. 50, this is 30. Make sure you understand it. This height is 50 minus 30 means 20. This height is 20. Again need to apply this dimension. This is 30. Then this height is 66 minus 50 means 16. 16 and need to apply this dimension. The last, this second, first, second is ready. Third is 32. This is from here to here, it is 32 and it is 20. 20 means this is 12. This is 12. Okay. Again, this is 78 minus 66. Go here, give the dimension. Smart dimension. 78 minus 66. This is 12. Okay. Then again go here. They both are same. They both are same. 96 minus 78. This is 96 minus 78. This means 18. And from here up to here it is 54. So again go in the line. Go here and give the dimension from here up to here. Again from here up to here it is 54. Again go downward. 108 minus 96. 108 minus 96. And from here up to here it is completely ready. As you can see, all the dimensions is applied very nicely and successfully. Okay, our sketch is right now fully defined and completely ready as per the drawing. Right guys, so this video lectures is complete. On the next video lectures we will make this 2D drawing in the Creo parameter. Thank you guys. If you like this video then subscribe and share.